What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know. And today in Nick's Kicks we have another unboxing. This one's coming from Nike. It was a 2-day ship, so we gotta make a quick video because these are already sold, going out. And yeah, let's see what we got in here. Just a quick release. It was just a Jordan 6 QUAI 54, so I just went for it on our Nike sneakers just because, like, whatever. I got a size 13 2-day ship, which is the best way to do it if you're trying to do a quick flip, which I recommend. So yeah, 2-day shipping $5, and you get in a lot quicker than the normal shipping, so recommend. But yeah, let's see what's in the box. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. Yeah, I already know. But let's see. Resale on these is not terrible, but sold, probably made like $20. So not bad. Here we go. Inside, we got one box. Alright. Alright, size 13 here for you guys. Alright, show you guys 13. Let's see what these look like. Ooh. Looks really clean. I don't know why the mark kind of creased up a little bit. Maybe that's just the look of the leather. But here it is, Jordan 6 QUAI 54s. Pretty cool colorway. I'm not crazy about 6s. 6s aren't my favorite model of Jordans. But yeah, it's got this like kind of purple. It's got this logo on the back, which stands for the QUAI 54 or whatever. Which is pretty cool. Let's get the other one out. Icy soles. Got the Nike Air on the back. Yeah, pretty dope. I'm a fan of these. They're really cool. Nike Air on the back, like I said again. But it's got this hint of purple, kind of like this pattern, which is cool, pretty cool. I couldn't wear these pair just personally, but yeah, it was pretty easy because I got them on sneakers really quick. And yeah, quick flip already sold. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this pair and drop a comment. Would you guys rock, flip, or just drop these? I don't know. I would definitely not rock, but definitely flip because make an extra $10-50. You cannot go wrong. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Just a little quick unboxing for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. See ya.